Hey, this is Christine, your DIY Craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much. Now this video is a short video on Beebeecraft and their YouTube partnership program. This is not sponsored by YouTube. There is no affiliation with YouTube. So let's jump in. So this is their website, and if you are interested, I am going to show you. As you can see here, they have a lot of craft items, jewelry. If you are into crafting for jewelry or stamping, they have those. They also have beads, ribbons. But what I want to talk to you about is their YouTube Corporation program. Now you scroll down to the end of the page and you get to the YouTube program and you click on that. Now if you are a content creator and you have more than 100 subscribers, then of course you can reach out to them and let them know you are interested. What you'll do, you'll just copy your YouTube channel link address and paste it right there, and then your number of subscribers, and then you will just tell them why you want to participate and click submit. And once you click submit, just keep checking your email for a response, and then you can go from there. But I want to show you what I got from Beebeecraft. For your first order, they'll just allow you to select some items that you desire, and it should be around $40 something, I believe, and then they'll send that to you, and then you go from there. Now this is natural wood sunflower beads in different colors, and the size is about 23 millimeters. And then here we have some ribbons in different colors as well. These are 59 yards of gingham polyester ribbon in 18 different colors. You see 2 different shades of pink, 2 different shades of red, 2 different shades of blue, green, and ribbons to your heart's delight. This is a spool of or lace ribbon, and this is 15 millimeters. I love these because of the colors. And then these are Christmas ribbons, Christmas jute burlap buffalo wired ribbons, and this is 2 rolls of 2.5 inches wide, and it's also wired. And then these were vacuum sealed. These are wooden beads in natural and black. You can use these for necklaces. See how small they are? Some of the beads are not fully opened, but I mean, you can use these to do whatever you desire to do. And here they are, guys. So if you are interested, I know some of you don't have a channel, but if you are interested in purchasing, you can find the link in my description box below. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls. And if you love budget-friendly content like these and you have not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscription button and also to hit that notification bell and select all so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And stay safe until next time. Bye.